I'm just giving you a little tool. You got to be creative. Use it to your advantage. Use it to your advantage. Then you do it with your right hand. So C major chord, all the 1, 2, 3, 4s with flat picking. Sounds like this. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 3. 1, 2, 1, 4. 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 2. You can do 2 notes on each one. 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 4, 1, 1, 2, 4, 1, 1, 2, 4, 2, 1, 2, 4, 2, 1, 2, 4, 3, 1, 2, 4, 3, 1, 2, 4, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 2. Then do it with finger picking if you're on the acoustic. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 4, 1, etc.
I need to give a little context here before we jump into the practice. In the video that Trey posted, he had just gone through his dexterity exercise mostly for the left hand, and now he's applying the same kind of concept to the right hand with picking, but rather than assigning the numbers to the fingers, like first finger, second finger, third, and fourth, he's assigning the numbers to notes in a chord. And it seems like, from what I can tell, he's calling the root of the chord. In our example, it'll be a C major chord. C is first string. The E, which is the next note in the chord, is the second string. G is the third string, and then the octave of C would be the fourth string. So it's numbered from root of the chord up to the highest part of the chord. And then we just follow the same approach as far as the order of the numbers that we switch up, just like the left hand dexterity exercise. One other thing is that in the video, he changes chords as he's doing the picking exercise, but I'm going to just keep it on a C chord so we can really focus on the right hand. And then, like Trey says in the video, get really creative with it. And there are a bunch of different ways you could switch this around. I'm just going to keep it on one chord and focus on the patterns that the right hand does. Throughout the whole thing, we just alternate pick it. And it's actually pretty tough. So let's give it a try. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found it helpful. Please subscribe to the channel. If you want to support it, you can check out my Patreon, and I'll see you next time. Thanks.